Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. PRTG doing great, hitting our profit taken after this breakout, guys. It was really great early on our discourse. Yes, we discussed this one on our pre-market watch list video. And of course, now it is pulling back a bit. So let us discuss the stocks that will be good for today. Yeah, as we said, PRTG is number one. And now it is doing all right. As we discussed here, guys, we discussed PRTG once it was inside this channel. And we discussed the breakout and profit taken early today. And of course, now it is already tested the $13. We have DBVT jumped and still didn't push back up. Let's see. TWG. Yeah, I was watching this one early. It reversed on the support. Yeah, so still looking good. Even LYT is still looking great here. GameStop is pulling back. Okay, so let's see if we got something going on right now. We got LXRX just jumped right now, I think. Yeah, jumped early today. Yeah, it jumped really quick. We got, yeah, this is the only one that jumped early today. PRTG, LXRX, TWG, those the top three. And yeah, so those the top stocks that we have to watch for today with MLG, of course. LXRX, it is too dangerous because yeah, it might get shorted anytime around those levels. So it is too dangerous. Already got shorted around 77. I think we got a nice breakout from this flag here. Yeah, if it pulled back, would be great around the 44. Yeah, we have the 56 and the 77 targets. But PRTG is still number one, guys. I like the technical for it. I like the technical for PRTG. It is the only one that look great. We might have a pullback around the $10 again, but for now, yeah, PRTG is the number one stock for today. We already discussed this one early in the pre-market watch list for today, guys. And we already suggest to take profit here around the 13 before this pullback. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Xander, doing great, man. Thank you for asking. Good morning. When when we gonna go live? We are live now, man. So yeah, PRTG is number one, guys. After that, we got LXRX, could be good as well for a pullback. If we have a pullback, I will be watching for the first pullback zone around the 56, and the second one is around the 44. Current resistance is around the $7.77, and top target is just below the $1 for LXRX. DBVT, guys, jumped 150%, and right now 50%. Got earnings back here around last Monday, and now it's accumulating for another jump up. So those the top stocks, of course, with MLGO, the top stocks for today. Let us check SMCI. Yes, SMCI, guys, is pushing back up just over this ascending channel. So we have a last test for SMCI over this ascending channel, guys. Last fight, the last fight for SMCI to hold over. We need to hold over this level, guys, for today if we want to have a green day. Tesla still neutral here. Palantir kind of broke the trend, but still have a support to hold for today over 85. We got AMD pulling back, breaking the trend here, guys. AMD breaking the trend again. So Uber still neutral, Netflix neutral, Coinbase pulling back, CVNA, INTC, MSTR, Maradel. So yeah, we don't have, yeah. SoFi, it is bad because it broke the trend. Yeah, it broke the trend and it's going down again. This buy is still neutral. Anyway, so let us keep watching the top unicorn, guys. We only have two stocks that look great. PRTG is the best for one, for my opinion, for today. GameStop, could you explain why, in your opinion, 24 is resistant and not 23? Okay, if why not video right now, but no problem, Dexter. DBVT won't trust support here. Okay. DBVT, the reason I don't trust, because look at this trend, man. Look at this chart. We have bad earnings, barcoding, jumping up and down is not stable. Simple. The GameStop, I don't like it, man, because it broke the main support right now. For GameStop, yeah, 22.11 last night we closed. 24, yeah. The 24 was the current support before. Yeah, so now it is the resistance. Is technically not even the 24. The resistance not that clear for GameStop, man. Is not that clear for GameStop. So for GameStop, the main resistance is the 26.87, the main resistance. But I put the 24 because it's the first one. But for my opinion, we have a range for GameStop to break around this area, 24 and 25, not even the 24. So we got a range. GameStop, it is heavily manipulated right now. So even if we go up, guys, for GameStop, we might test this orange line and continue to go down. So we have a huge seller here between the 25 and 24.50. Thank you, Dexter, for remind us about GameStop resistance, because yeah, resistance is not that clear for GameStop. That's why we have a range. So yeah, thank you for the reminder. We have to update the chart for GameStop, guys. Anyway, so GameStop started to reverse a bit, but still didn't test the major support. That's why it continued to go down for today, 1%. Yesterday, 22% discount, guys, for GameStop. Anyway, so we got LYT, guys. LYT is still looking interesting for play with TWG. So those two, maybe I'm gonna put them down for the main list. And PRTG is number one. I think we got some news for PRTG here. 3 minute. Okay, Wall Street set to open lower Friday as inflation raises more than expected. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's go. PRTG, guys. Let's see PRTG. If we got some news. Yeah, 15 hours ago, we got some news. Nice news here. Okay, okay, so result of Port 7 tumor treatment trial. We got nice trial for the treatment of tumor. It's called Port 7. Nice, man. This is huge for so guys, PRTZ, we have good technical and good fundamental. The good news is here, good treatment trial for the Port 7 tumor treatment. Huge for this health biotech company. Yeah, really good. PRTG, we have news and technical. Both of them are good. LXRX, let's see if we have some news for this one as well. LXRX. Okay, we got some news as well. Let's see what kind of news. Announce exclusive license agreement with Novo. Okay, so this news is not that big compared to PRTG, guys. Yeah, we got okay. LXRX received 1 billion in upfront development regard sales milestone payment, including 75 million upfront near-term milestone payments. Yeah, so this one is well good news, but I prefer the biotech PRTG news regarding uh, the treatment for the tumor, because yes, LXRX is good because you have 1 billion. However, PRTG have more sentimental news regarding treatment of the tumor. So this is crazy good for PRTG. And both of them are in the health sector, of course. Health sector stocks are the best because if they have some news like this, they jump perfectly and big like a rocket. Anyway, guys, let us do a reminder to our disclaimer for today because the market is about to open at any second. Guys, remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed, so we're not financial advisor. Always do you due diligence before you put your money on the line. We always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. And let's hunt for today. Hit the like, don't forget, guys. And of course, today is the 28th, tomorrow is the 29th. Yeah. So let's get right to it, guys, and have a nice green day for the last day on this week or this month. Because, yeah, Monday will be the 31. But, yeah, technically the last week on March. So guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Again, PRTG was way better to enter at for today. Watch this video, guys. If you were with us, the entry was way before this jump because we discussed it today on our watch list video that we do daily, guys, on our Discord and Patreon, 1 hour after the pre-market open. So if you want to have access to this update daily, you can join us on our Discord and Patreon. First, this is the link to our Patreon, of course. And if you're wondering how you can have access to our Discord, once you join our Patreon, you're gonna have access to our the Discord automatically. If you can't link Patreon to Discord, let me know. Send me a message. I will send you an invite link to our Discord. So let's get right to it, guys. And the market is about to open. Hit the like button. Let us hit the 50 like for today, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. 3, 2, 1. Fireworks. Let's have fireworks for today. LXRX doing all right. DBVT, nope. MLGO, nope. LYT, nope. So PRTG looking great with LXRX. Which one will be the one? Guys, this one have a good result for a treatment for a tumor. They have a nice trial. That's why I jumped today, and now it's pulling back. The profit taken already got hit, guys, around the $13. We already discussed this profit taken early today. Let me just show you here. Yeah, we discussed it early. We said the 1287 and yeah, 1287, not even the $13. 1287 here, but we went until the $13. And right now we have a new support over the 1155 to hold and the $10.12 if we broke this level. LXRX sideways. What you think, guys? Are we gonna have a green day today or not? Because SMCI is testing the ascending channel right now. Look at that. It's really critical zone. Tesla, Palantir. We have a bit of red day today. We got a bit of fear because the inflation were high, more than expected. That's why we have a bit of red market for today. Anyway, so PRTG is still in green. As we said, guys, this is the best one for today. PRTG, PRTG. Micro MLGO looking great at the moment. Watch out, MLGO looking great. Okay, PRTG still holding the support, guys. MLGO, the same. It is doing all right here, trying to give us another gain for today. Still holding this trend. Yeah, good trend here for MLGO. TWG, I don't like the technical that much, like LYT, but those stocks, it's kind of dangerous a bit. Yeah, PRTG is the one, guys. DBVT, I don't like it anymore, even though it's still holding the support, but it's dangerous. Yeah, so the only one that look good, guys, from today is PRTG. Bounce from the 1155 perfectly from our support. Now we got a resistance to break here around the 1350. So yeah, today we only have one stock. Only one stock. Since the pre-market watch list, guys, since this today, PRTG is still the one to watch. PRTG. The best entry was before the market opened on our watch list video. PRTG was on our watch list, guys. Number one, I think, on our watch list for today. E-Trice ask about Cooler. Cooler, I took it from the list for a reason. Yeah, I took it from the list for a reason. Yeah, I don't like the technical, man. The technical is not good. But if you want to trade it anyway, watch out for the 162, bottom 143, resistance is just below the 194, profit taken 2.24. But yeah, I don't like it that much. PRTG, as we said, is the one. If we broke the 1350, we might get halted and go toward the 1566. So there's a big seller, guys, here. Huge, humongous seller around the 1350. Okay, SMCI bounced from our ascending channel nicely. Tesla went down, Palantir went down. So yeah, we have a bit of red day for today. A little bit of red, but SMCI doing the opposite. Once the market was red, now it's green. Once it was green, well, the market is red. So SMCI doing the opposite. Okay, PRTG still waiting for a breakout here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Yeah, PRTG looking interesting for a breakout again. We're still waiting for another buyer to give us this kind of jump. Yeah, it was really great here. A huge jump, 33%. Now we're waiting for another 20%. So technically, look at that, guys. Technically, we have two buyers. The first buyer came after the news, then we flushed, then the second news, now we consolidate. We need the third. After the third would be too risky to hold. So we have a huge buyer. You see, even the volatility is slowed from this huge bump. We have a little bump. So now if we don't jump, it's mean we're gonna go down. Look interesting still. Because the other stocks, they are not good. You look at that, still pulling back this one. I will watch this one for a breakout from the 65. If we did, would be great. Otherwise, we're gonna have a pushback now for LXRX. If we pull back and we'll wait for this dip around the 52. PRTG is still nothing. What's going on with the other stocks here? Everything's pulling back. DBVT started to reverse here, still holding the support. You know what? DBVT could be a huge gainer if it broke the 691. So we have unusual buyer here after the selling pressure. So I'm gonna keep it on the list just in case. If we went toward the 690. Good morning, brother. Good morning. You are welcome. You are welcome, brother. So PRTG, guys, is the only one that look still good technically, and the rest are on the waiting list because DBVT could be really good because we held the 518 and now is about to break this level. This one, guys, was the top gainer before in the pre-market, so it might squeeze again. LXRX, the same, is still consolidating. We still had no flush yet, so there's a chance for a breakout and going up. MLGO maybe later because now we kind of broke this trend here. So I'm gonna keep it on the other list. with Cooler and TWG. So we only have three stocks right now that might be the top gainers for today. PRTG, I think, is halted down right now, guys. Oh no. Yeah, I think we're halted down. So yeah, it lost momentum, guys. It was good. PRTG, man. PRTG was really good in pre-market. Now, no good. Now we might have a reversal from down. So it's better to wait for the dip for PRTG, guys. It broke the trend. And look at that. Once we broke the support, we got halted around the 1155. This one, nope. That one got shorted down 41%. Wolf. Holy moly, what's going on with Wolf, guys? Got shorted big time. Anyway, so PRTG disappointment starts. It was good in the pre-market, guys. Yeah, this one was really great in the pre-market here. Once we broke this trend, was perfect. We hit with a major resistance, now it's pulling back. So now we broke the first support. There's a chance that we gonna have a nice dive of 10% around the $10. So yeah, we're gonna dive down. PRTG, time for a pullback. Now LXRX could be the one. Let us go to LXRX because could be the one for today. DBVT is running. Yes, exactly. DBVT, guys, and LXRX could be the one for today. LXRX and DBVT. Watch out closely for those two. We got DBV. Yeah, DBVT could run at the moment, so let us be ready for it. Okay, guys, DBVT looking great. PRTG is still halted with LUDB, reason code of the haltation. So yeah, the only two active stocks are PRTG, LXRX, which still below the resistance, and DBVT need another 7% to squeeze. Okay, DBVT is moving. Let us keep watching this one closely. Yeah, the whole market is not good. TNON flushed down, broke the two support. So now might go down further. PSTV the same. So let us keep waiting for DBVT breakout and PRTG reversal. The whole market, it is a bit red, not completely red, but we might have a turnaround for the market later on and have a green day because look at that, Tesla's recovering a bit, SMCI is still holding. So yeah, we still have indecision for the market because someone buying the dip right now for many stocks. LXRX, guys, is preparing for a breakout here. LXRX could be the one right now. I'm switching to LXRX. PRTG, I'm waiting for a dip hunt around the $10 here because we got hit with a resistance, unfortunately, here around the 1350. XRX waiting for a breakout here, guys. This is the breakout zone. Wolf Talk of Bankruptcy, Chapter 11. Why not Chapter 10 or Chapter 5? SMCI comeback. Yes, so we have a comeback. A comeback. Not yet, man, not yet. Don't be happy yet. The comeback didn't start it yet. We might have a comeback if we broke this current resistance here around the 37. Yeah, technically. Again, even the resistance here is shady, but yeah, we got the 37.86. So we need to jump 6% would be great for today. At least this is the level that we should break first to say that we started to reverse a bit. Current resistance is still below the 44, 43. But yeah, this is a turning point for SMCI, guys. Turning point. PRTG still halted. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see when we get unhalted, man. Let's see. When PRTG got halted. PRTG got halted around the 39. It should be unhalted. So it's 10 minute, I think. It's 10-minute halt, guys. So it will be unhalted around the 49 or after 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes from now. We got BIYA and gâteau. Gâteau is mean a sugary thing in French. I don't know how you say in English. Gâteau. It's like a cake or anyway. This one light on volume. This one gâteau 118%. Crazy, man. PRTG still halted. I think we will be unhalted in just 2 minutes from now. Or exactly after 1 minute. Yeah, eat rice cake. Yes. Here in France, we don't say cake. Cake is a different on like not just one. There's a cake, there's like croissant. You can say cake for croissant. It's different, you know. It's not cake. Cake is special. It's just like it should be round, it should be thick, it should be like filled with something inside. I don't know. Oh, GameStop is bouncing hard. Oh yeah, a little bit. Yeah, we have double bottom over the 21. But this bounce is still, we need to test this level first. So we might have a test. So we might do 11 or 10% for today if we have a green day or green market. So this is depends on the market right now. So GameStop, it could surprise us later with MLGOs. I'm gonna put them down. Thank you for the reminder, my brother. Thank you for the reminder. Who said it? Yeah, P. the Gall. Donald Trump. Holy moly. Donald Trump, he's watching our live streaming. Donald Trump said SMCI is back. Okay, so guys, PRTG unhalted right now. Holy moly. He's holding the 10, guys. PRTG is holding the 10. So if we have the 10, 12, we're gonna reverse. If we didn't, we're gonna flush. Yeah, the 10, 12, guys, should be a reversal right now. If we held, we're gonna reverse. If we didn't, we didn't. Be careful, we have a huge slippage here. Yeah, now we got a resistance around the 1147. So yeah, if you have an entry here, the exit should be just below the 11 because we might continue to go down. Be careful, PRTG, we have a big seller. LXRX doing pretty fantastic, guys, right now for a breakout from the 65. PRTG, we're still waiting for a reversal now. It could be good. Market seems slow. Exactly, man. PRTG started to reverse. We need the $11. A reversal around the 11 would be great for PRTG. Yeah, the market is slow. Even SMCI going up and down. So it's tricky. The market is a bit tricky right now, guys. We don't have a strong green or strong red. So it's not good for shorting or buying because we are in between. Rocket Lab, RKLB is reversing. Yeah, reversing 5%, but no good. Still no good. It's not my cup of tea. PRTG, yeah, started to reverse. As we said, the 10, 12, it is the support. Nice, or $10.15. Yes, sir. We start to reverse, guys. Now we're gonna test the 1140. If we don't break it, we're gonna go flushing down. Yeah, the market is a bit weak, guys. It is a bit weak. Look at that. We don't have a continuation and we don't have a huge bounce for PRTG after testing the support. So cooler. You see, guys, I don't like it. As said, now it's flushing. It's not good. We have a huge red for the unicorn stocks. They're pulling back a lot. MLGO still strong, guys. Really strong because still holding the 1340. PRTG still holding. Remember, guys, PRTG was on our hunt today. And yesterday we did, yeah, the day before we did the MLGO before the breakout from the 1480. It was good. PSTV, we did the warning for PSTV before the breakout, of course, here. So it was good in the pre-market. We hit the 178 or 75. Then after that, we did this update and then flushed down. So that's why we always do major update for mini stocks to take profit. Always the green line, the first green line is profit taking, guys. So PRTG, guys, is still holding, bouncing. We need a little more bounce. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush. Simple as that. And we might get halted down again if we broke the 1015. If we held, would be great for a reversal. LXRX want to break the 65. GameStop still neutral. MLGO doing really good, guys. MLGO, we might have a new high over the $20. MLGO always do this, guys. Always do that. It's consolidating and slow, then it jump from middle nowhere. I think we have dark pool action for MLGO. This is not normal reaction. Look at that. PRTG finally still holding. As we said, PRTG was the best trade for today on our watch list video. It was good to buy and exit in the pre-market, not to hold, guys. PRTG was really great in the pre-market. We discussed this because we saw this flag and it was preparing for a breakout. And we said the 1282 is the profit taken. And of course, we hit the profit taken, market open, flush down. See with me here, guys, before the market open here. And here before the market open, and here in the 2 hours before the market open. We have three tests. Market open, it was already game over. So the entry was here. So that's why we suggest always sometimes, not always, the best entry in the pre-market. SNSE. SNSE. Not my cup of tea, man. Don't like it. Completely bad. If it jumped, this one could jump really quick and flush. So we have the 82. So that's why I don't trust it. Always pump and dump. PRTG, guys, I think we're gonna have another dive down. The market is a bit weak for today. Look at that. Yeah, I think we're gonna get halted down for PRTG. If we broke right now, we might get halted. Yes, 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 yes. PRTG is really bad now. Yeah, it broke the trend, broke the support. Yeah, it was good in the pre-market, man. Now we might have another dive down toward the 893 and the 7. So number one is still LXRX. Yeah, LXRX could be number one right now. The only stock that could be good. The rest of the market is kind of slow because Bitcoin is down in red. Yeah, that's why. And Dodge is breaking the support again. Yeah, it pulled back before even the resistance. Anyway, so let's see. Yeah, this one is preparing for something, guys. LXRX is preparing for something. Something big. QNTM. What's going on with this one? I think we got some news going on. The market is on the edge. Yeah, this one might be good, but it is not a huge unicorn. Yeah, it's not a huge. It could be good, but it moves slowly. We have a breakout for it, yes, around $9, but it's still light on action. If we held the 9, we might do another 50% here toward the 13 and 16. So I'm gonna keep it on the list. But for now, LXRX is number one. PRTG is still pulling back. GameStop is still holding. So yeah. I think the inflation, guys, inflation were more worse than expected. That's why we have a bit of slow market for today and confusion. Yeah, you see the market. So it's not big red and it's not big green either. Yeah, LRX, guys, try to break out now. Oh, 65 it is, big seller. Look at that. We have a test and the price went down very quick. Huge resistance, guys, for LXRX right now. Yeah, today, guys, today and the last few days, the pre-market was way better because PRTG it hit our targets in the pre-market before the market opened, and before the market opened, hit the profit taken and went down. So yeah, PRTG was the best for today, and now look at that. Market open, it is red. And all this action, guys, all this action was early in the pre-market. And this is one of the main reason that we do a pre-market watch list and a live streaming to do mini trade and watch the market for opportunity for entry and exit. For today, we don't do any live streaming because we just don't have many like unicorn, or the market was a bit slow. But yeah, we discussed PRTG in our watch list video for the levels. We hit the first level and now it's pulling back. LXRX the same, hit the resistance, pull back. GameStop just near the support. DBVT jumped in the pre-market, then flushed. MLGO maybe will do something, guys. MLGO here. Watch out. MLGO looking great at the moment. Yeah, MLGO looking strong. We have a resistance for MLGO right now around the 2070. MLGO already discussed it before on our Discord as well. We discussed it many times, actually. We discussed it even yesterday here. We said 2070, support 1340. And before that, once the price was around the $14, imagine. And now it's $19 and going, guys. MLGO, it could be the one for today as well. MLGO could be the one. Yeah, MLGO is getting near the breakout. LXRX, guys, disappointment here, didn't break. So MLGO number one right now. PRTG number two. DBVT the same, could be good later. And GameStop, I'm gonna keep those still on our list. The rest of the market, it is not good. Yeah, especially Mara got hit big time. Yeah, MLGO, guys, looking great at the moment. The strongest for today is MLGO and maybe DBVT. Yeah, DBVT and MLGO. Yeah, DBVT is still looking great here. So we only have three stocks. MLGO still want to break the 20. MLGO still testing. Watch out, everybody. MLGO is still testing the level. We might have a breakout from the 2070 and squeeze toward the 24. PRTG could reverse. DBVT could break out as well. LRX, I don't like it for now, but still holding the first support and the second. So still there's a chance for a reversal here. But we should have squeezed here, guys. We should have squeezed. Yeah, we should have. But we pulled back 15% instead. So yeah, this is a warning sign for me. For LXRX, a big warning sign. Yeah, the market is a bit confused right now with the transitory tariff inflation. So yeah, so some people don't understand what's going on right now. That's why we have a bit of indecision for the market, guys. Look at that. Tesla's just down 1%, not big deal. SMCI is consolidating sideways. Nvidia the same. Uber, the swing trade stocks. The SPY is down a little bit. So yeah, we have a bit of weak market. That's why even the unicorn stock didn't jump after the market opened for today. And LXRX is going down big. So the strongest right now is MLGO and maybe PRTG because we got some good news regarding the trial for tumor trial. So we have a positive result. That's why might be good. And MLGO, yeah, still bullish in a big picture. So those stocks could be good for later, guys. It could be a good for later hunt. We have to watch out for them. Okay, guys, we have to wrap up our live streaming for now. The market is a bit slow, so the best way is to wait for those stocks to do something later on. So we're gonna discuss MLGO because we have a double top here. Last time we update, guys, was on our Discord, 26th of March or Wednesday. We discussed MLGO before the breakout. It was really great hunt. So we're gonna spot another opportunity for MLGO later on our Discord and Bitcoin with DBVT, PRTG. PRTG was the best trade for today, guys, on our watch list video that we did here before the market open. We do always watch this video for the market, and of course this one was the best in the pre-market. As we said, guys, always the pre-market have more action than the market itself. As you see here, the best example, we got shorted just at the market open. The action was here, guys, all the action. Even if you missed this action, there's another action here, and this buyer just came before 2 hours before the market opened here. It was perfect, 30%, and then you go to sleep. You don't have to trade anymore. Even if the market red, there's opportunity in the pre-market. Sometimes we have a pre-market not good, but during the market is good. So we always trade in pre-market and during the market for this reason, guys. Because if you don't catch the pre-market and the market turns red, you're gonna have nothing, or worse, you're gonna be in red full day. So the best is always to prepare in the pre-market, catch some fish in the pre-market, so you're not gonna sleep without food. So be careful, guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and yes, hit the like button before you leave, guys, and of course thank you for watching and have a nice weekend, blessed weekend, and of course see you back on Monday to trade the market again. And remember, there is always opportunity in the market. If you did catch a PRTG with us today in the pre-market on our Discord, you can actually have the opportunity to catch it next week with us on Monday. Thank you for watching, everybody. And of course, see you back all on Monday.